Light art can be discovered in a variety of locations, including gallery, museum, public space, and even on the street, where it can be accessible to anyone. It offers artists a chance to express their experience, idea, and emotion through everyday encounter. In this video, we will explore the captivating world of light art, a form of visual art that pushes the boundaries of imagination and innovation. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In the past, light was commonly regarded as a functional element of daily life. Over time, artists began to explore the distinctive qualities of light and its capacity to amplify forms and textures. In the 20th century, light developed into a substantive element within different art forms, such as architecture, theater, and performance art. It gained recognition as an important component of artistic expression, providing artists with a new way to explore art. Modern light art came to be after the arrival of electric lighting in the late 19th century, which allowed for safe and economical long-term illumination. However, modern idea of light art developed with the experimentation of modern artists, which belonged to the Constructivist and Bauhaus movements. Many art historians believe that L. Lissitzky is the first to have used the electric light in the artwork. And the first object-based light sculpture was the light space modulator, by Laszlo Moholy-Nagy. During the 1960s, when minimalism and light art were very prevalent, critics and art commentators tried to find deeper meanings in light art installation. People often saw the light produced by these works as connecting the 20th century avant-garde movement with the depiction of divine light in Renaissance art. However, artists such as Dan Flavin and James Turrell, who were compared to Renaissance artists, went to great lengths to refute these interpretations. In fact, light artists began making their installations more transparent, by ensuring that cables and electric outlets were visible to viewers. It led light art to a new and more humanistic conceptual phase. In the 1980s, electric neon light became popular again. Neon became the center of the light art scene. Artists began incorporating neon into interior design and sculpture to expand the boundaries of the art form. The latest trend in light art is called projection mapping. This technique projects videos onto walls or objects, and when displayed on three-dimensional surfaces, it uses color, light, and motion to create the illusion of a motionless object transforming into something almost true to life. However, the utilization of light is vital to both the creation and appreciation of art. As humans are naturally drawn to light, it can be utilized in art to create depth, detail, and ambience, as well as to communicate emotions or express a particular message. How do you feel about light art? Feel free to share your thought in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.